All right, this is question number 1 from lesson 7. I've had some requests on this one. It's asking, so it tells us that W is the result of U cross V. Question wants to know that why, when we take the dot product of W.U and W.V and any multiple thereof, that's all that really means, why are they all zeros? Well, we know that U cross V, when you take the cross product of two vectors, you're going to get, first of all, a new vector. So the result is a vector. And secondly, the vector will be perpendicular. Good spelling. That's why I'm teaching math. Okay, the vector will be perpendicular. So it will be perpendicular to original vectors. So that tells me that the vector W is going to be a new vector, first of all, and it's going to be perpendicular to U and V. And we know that if two vectors are perpendicular, then the dot product of those two vectors results in 0. So because W, we've created a new vector and we've created a perpendicular vector, then when we do the dot product with one of the originals, because they are perpendicular, the result will be 0 in all those cases above listed. All right, and that's all they're really wanting you to realize or understand, is that that's the exact, you're creating a perpendicular vector, which means that you can always check your final answer if you want to make sure that you did the cross product properly. If you take the dot product with one of your two originals, it should give you a result of 0. Not saying you have to do that every time, obviously, but if you're concerned about the process, then you have a check to fall back on.